Yeah, so next we'll be heading back to our our WordPress dashboard to customize our cart pages and our checkout page. So let's navigate to the pages section, click on all pages and let's open it in a new tab. So these all our pages. Let's look for cart, click on edit with Elementor. Let's look for checkout, click on edit with Elementor. So on the cart page, we want to ensure that we customize our cart page to look like ours. So we can take out this subtext here and then just go ahead and apply our brown colors. So we want our button border color to change on hover. We want it to be this and this, and then it's already on white. So we want to do the same here as well. This is done as well. The one do the same for our checkout button. So since it's like this on normal, on hover, we want to make the background transparent. And then we want to make the border color urban color, and then make the font text a dark color. So we have this. So this looks good. So we can go ahead and save. Before we save, I'm just going to be adding styles as well to the table. Um, remove icon. Yeah. So this to a brown color as well. So this looks fine now. We're just going to be adding some padding to the entire card section. So let's add some padding here. So I'm just going to do a right and a left here. So 200 and 200 left. So this should look a lot better. So let's go ahead and hit publish and then we're going to preview here. So I think this looks a lot better. So next we want to go and look through and ensure that we set up our card settings properly. Okay, so that's done. So let's move on to the checkout page. For our checkout page, we also want to take out this subtext and then we'll go ahead and edit the checkout. So first we add some padding to it as we did before. So we're doing 200 right and left. Okay, so um I'm supposed to add the padding around the section, not the widget itself. So let's do that correctly here now. So first you want to unlink and then 200 right, 200 left. So this is fine. So now we go to the checkout widget itself and work on the styling. So first our titles look good. Notice background color. our error color, we can make it a bit darker. Um, our other tables should look good. And then we can change the link color, the link hover color, and then place other button. So this border blue. So that means our hover button has to be border blue, and then the background color would be this, and this will be dark. So let's look through if there are any other style changes we haven't made. So I think that's about it. So we're going to publish, and then we're going to go to preview to actually see what our checkout page would look like. Okay, so these are checkout page, and I think it looks good. These are other, and this is what the entire checkout page looks like. I think it looks good. So we can safe to say that this is good to go. So let's go ahead and work on our shop section next.